Hi, I'm Ben Brown with BiteFX. If you haven't heard of BiteFX before, we're a software company that's primarily focused on patient education. And so we take animation and put it over a three-dimensional system, because with the TMJ and occlusion, that's a three-dimensional system, and trying to show that with two-dimensional pictures can be very difficult and challenging. And then it's hard for the patient to take your explanations and visualize what you're trying to show them. And so with the use of three-dimensional animations, we're able to take that complex system and very much simplify it. So historically, most of our focus has been training, it's introductory stuff for dentists as well as in-depth stuff for the patients. But just recently we've released a new version of BiteFX that actually dives into Pete Dawson's functional occlusion. So if I take you over here for a second. This is the study aid to the book Functional Occlusion by Pete Dawson. So we went through chapter by chapter and took our animations to have a very quick and easy study aid to as you go through the book. And so if you're going through and you're on chapter 5, you can open this up and say you're on page 35 here, and as Pete's talking about the shape of the condyle, you can bring up our animation, play it along, and so with all those dense texts and those dense paragraphs that he has where he's explaining the shape of the condyle, you can have this open next to it and see very quickly and easily exactly what the shape is, so that when you're working on seating the condyle down the road, you'll have a very good sense of what you're looking at. And so we went through, and this is in the entire book. As you can see, most of the chapters are filled out here. These blank sections are chapters that either don't talk about anything that needs to be visualized, or we don't have animations covering those topics. But for the most part, we've covered, I would probably say, about 80%, 90% of the book to make your studying quick and easy. However, if you're ready to be up and going talking to patients today, I'd recommend using the premium product, where we have over 170 animations with different presentation templates and things for you to be able to talk to a patient very quickly about whatever topic you're hoping to go through. And so if you have patients coming in with canine guidance problems, you can quickly show them what is canine guidance, and then talk to them about what happens when you lose canine guidance. And this is a way that you can very easily start conversations with patients about the occlusion and about TMJ, and start having them understand kind of what's going on and being ready to move forward with treatment, because now they understand their pain. Because without that understanding, a lot of the time they're not going to either trust your explanations, or they're going to see the price tag and not want to move forward, because they don't see that down the road there's going to be issues. So if you're interested in this, come on by, give us a call. We'd love to talk, and yeah, hope to see you soon.